Hi, Jenny here. Today is another coworker's birthday and she is in a band and plays guitar. So I thought I would recreate a cake that I did many years ago for my daughter that was a guitar cake. But I'm going to try something different. I'm going to try it by making it with cupcakes. So I've seen that done before where people lay out a bunch of cupcakes and make it into a design. So we're going to try that and see how it goes. Let's get started. Okay, for making these we're just going to start with some cupcakes. So I just have a Devil's Food cake mix here at home. That's what I'm going to use. We're going to make this according to box directions. So we'll need 1 cup of water, or 3 eggs, and a 1/3 cup of oil. And then we're going to frost the cupcakes, and you can use chocolate or white, or you can take white and take some food coloring and make whatever colors you want, or I happen to find purple and pink at the store. And then I'm going to use some M&Ms for part of the guitar. If you have a mixer, a stand mixer, or a hand mixer, you can use that. I'm just going to mix this all by hand today. So, as I said, we'll just do this according to box directions. Pour my mix in the bowl, and then my water, eggs, and oil. And we'll mix it all. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees, and then I have my cupcake liners all good to go in my cupcake tin. And now we will just spoon our batter in, about 1/2 to 3/4 full. Alright, the batter is divided evenly amongst all 24 cupcake holders. So now we are going to bake them at 350 degree oven for 20 minutes. Check if they're done. We'll put a toothpick in the middle. Comes out clean. Feels nice and stiff. Not mushy. So they are done. I'm going to arrange the cupcakes on the tray into a guitar shape so I can then figure out which ones I want to put what colored frosting on. Alright, here we go. Let's start with chocolate. I think just because I can. The pink came with some pink sugars. I'm gonna sprinkle those on to make it a sparkly guitar. Hopefully there's still enough that it'll take. Alright, I need the little bar down at the bottom that connects all the strings. If I had a Kit Kat or something, I could probably use that, but I don't, so we'll just try to make, haha, straight line chocolate frosting. What if I use another knife? Okay, so we still have the white strings to make, and then I will put some purple light decorations around the outside. What I'm gonna do is, I have a glass here. I know store-bought frosting isn't as pipeable as a buttercream type frosting, but we're gonna try it anyways. We're just gonna use it because it'll be easy, there's not that much. So I have these bags that I've got from the store, like those come from Michael's. You can get them online and whatever. I'm going to use my decorating tips, so I'm going to just cut off a little bit of the bottom. That's probably not enough. And I have my cake tips that I'm just going to be using. Probably number 4. I think I'll use that for both. It should be a thin enough string, and I can make it thicker for the other decorations. So we'll put that in there and see that I need to cut off more. But you want to go a little bit at a time. You don't want to cut off too much. That would be worse. Turn it inside out so you don't get too much frosting up at the top. I think I will start with white. So then you want to push it all down so it's at the tip. And we're going to twist the top so that it won't come out the top. Twist it. It looks like I have 6 guitar strings, so it's going to be 3 on either side. All right, so the guitar is done. It looks okay. Probably would have looked a little more like a guitar if I would have taken all the frosting like I've seen the other videos do and just mush it all in between all the cupcakes. But then there's also a lot of wasted frosting, so I think she'll be able to tell it's a guitar. And with that music theme, I decided to wear a Lights t-shirt today. So she is a Canadian singer-songwriter that my daughter, and actually the family has seen a couple times. Let's say Canadian singer-songwriter, does electro-pop, electro-rock type music. So I will leave a link to one of her songs down below. And anyways, I'm going to go take my treat into work now. So you guys keep it positive. Go make it a great day. Bye-bye.